Welcome back to IK Car Reviews. Today, we're looking at something that honestly feels more like a glimpse into the future than just another vehicle. Imagine a luxury van that blurs the line between first-class air travel and the open road. The all-new 2026 GMC Savana Limo camper isn't just another conversion. It's a rolling five-star suite packed into an American workhorse. From a plush lounge that rivals a private jet to technology that feels closer to a smart home than a vehicle, this van promises to change how we think about travel comfort. But here's the big question. Is the Savana Limo camper truly the ultimate luxury van build, or just an expensive dream on wheels? Stick around. Let's find out. The GMC Savana has always been known as a tough, dependable work van, used for everything from contractors' tool haulers to family road trip conversions. But for 2026, GMC is taking things in a completely different direction. Meet the Savana Limo Camper, a factory-backed luxury build that pushes this humble van into territory usually reserved for high-end motorhomes and executive limousines. So why does this matter? The U.S. market has been obsessed with van life and luxury RV conversions over the past few years. We've seen custom builders charge six figures for bespoke interiors, but now a mainstream automaker is stepping into that space with a product that combines factory reliability with ultra-luxury finishes. That makes the Savana Limo camper more than just another model launch. It's a signal that GMC wants a piece of this growing luxury travel lifestyle. On the outside, it still carries the familiar Savana shape, but inside, the transformation is dramatic. We're talking about lounge-style seating, premium leather, ambient lighting, and tech integration you'd expect in a flagship SUV, not a cargo van. The big question is, does this blend of rugged utility and high-end comfort actually deliver on its promise? Or does it feel like GMC is late to the luxury van game? We're about to break it all down. Step inside the 2026 GMC Savana Limo camper, and the first thing that hits you is how completely transformed it feels from the work van you might be picturing. On the exterior, GMC has kept the broad-shouldered stance of the Savana, but the subtle updates tell a different story. Sleeker LED headlights, a reworked front fascia, and bold chrome accents instantly elevated from fleet vehicle to something more in line with a luxury shuttle. Large 20-inch alloy wheels fill out the arches, and privacy-tinted panoramic windows hint that what's inside is far more than just a cargo space. And once those sliding doors open, the interior justifies every ounce of the hype. Plush captain's chairs with full recline and massage functions line the cabin, wrapped in premium Napa leather. Ambient lighting runs along the ceiling and floor edges, customizable through a touchscreen control system that also manages climate, audio, and even privacy shades. For families or groups, the rear lounge transforms into a bed setup, while a fold-out table makes working on the road feel like sitting in a private office. It's less camper and more luxury suite on wheels. On the technology front, GMC has pulled directly from its premium SUV lineup. A widescreen infotainment system powered by the latest Google-based software supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in streaming apps. A 20-speaker Bose surround system ensures road trip playlists or movie nights feel immersive, while integrated Wi-Fi keeps everyone connected. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. Standard driver assistance includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and even a semi-autonomous highway driving mode. But what about the performance? After all, a van this size still has to deliver confidence on the road. Under the hood, buyers get GMC's proven 6.6-liter V8, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, tuned to handle the added weight of luxury fittings without breaking a sweat. Power output sits at 401 horsepower, more than enough to haul passengers and gear while maintaining highway speeds with ease. Of course, fuel economy isn't its strongest suit. expect mid-teens in miles per gallon, but buyers in this segment are prioritizing comfort and capability over efficiency. One area where the Savana Limo camper surprises is its modularity. GMC offers factory options ranging from a full executive limo setup to a more adventure-focused camper configuration with kitchenette modules, extra storage, and off-grid power systems. This flexibility positions it directly against custom van builders. Only now, buyers get dealer financing, a factory warranty, and nationwide service centers. Still, here's the catch. Luxury doesn't come cheap, and pricing is where the Savana Limo camper could raise eyebrows. GMC hasn't released official numbers yet, but early estimates suggest a starting price well into six figures. The big reveal? We'll get into the expected cost and how it stacks up against rivals in just a moment. And here's where everything comes to a head: the real-world drive. On paper, the 2026 GMC Savana Limo camper looks like a luxury powerhouse, but the real test is how it feels once you hit the open road. Slide into the driver's seat and you're met with commanding visibility, a surprisingly quiet cabin, and steering that feels more refined than you'd expect from a van this size. Press the accelerator, and the V8's 401 horsepower pulls confidently, gliding this massive luxury lounge up to highway speeds without hesitation. But here's the surprise. Despite its sheer bulk, the suspension tuning makes the ride smooth and composed. GMC has clearly engineered this van for passenger comfort first, soaking up bumps and rough pavement with the poise of a high-end SUV. Even at 70 miles per hour, the cabin remains whisper quiet thanks to double-pane windows and advanced noise insulation. Passengers in the back can watch a movie, hold a meeting, or simply recline in silence, almost forgetting they're on the road at all. Of course, it isn't perfect. Maneuvering through tight city streets reminds you this is still a full-size van, and fuel economy will sting anyone expecting efficiency. But when you step back and look at what this vehicle really offers, executive-level luxury, road trip comfort, and factory-backed reliability, the drawbacks almost fade into the background. The turning point comes down to this: the Savana Limo camper doesn't just meet expectations, it shatters them. It takes a platform known for utility and transforms it into something that feels every bit as premium as a luxury SUV or private jet cabin. So the real question is, does all this justify what's expected to be a six-figure price tag? That's where things get interesting, and that's exactly what we'll dive into in the final verdict. So, what's the final word on the 2026 GMC Savana Limo camper? It's bold, it's ambitious, and it's unlike anything GMC has ever offered before. At its core, this van takes the rugged dependability of a long-standing American workhorse and overlays it with layers of luxury, usually reserved for executive jets and six-figure custom builds. That combination alone makes it a statement piece in today's market. Let's recap the biggest strengths. The interior is nothing short of impressive. Reclining massage seats, ambient lighting, and a connectivity suite that rivals modern smart homes. Comfort is its crown jewel, and GMC nails it with noise insulation, smooth ride quality, and thoughtful passenger amenities. Add in the flexibility of factory-backed camper or limo-style configurations, and you've got a product that speaks to road trippers, business travelers, and luxury lifestyle buyers alike. On the flip side, the drawbacks are clear. Fuel economy is poor, parking in tight cities will test your patience, and the expected six-figure price tag puts it out of reach for most buyers. This isn't a van for the everyday commuter. It's for the few who see travel as an experience worth investing in, and who want the peace of mind that comes with GMC's warranty and dealer support compared to one-off custom builds. In the bigger picture, the Savana Limo camper signals something larger. Mainstream automakers are starting to recognize the demand for luxury van life. If this model succeeds, don't be surprised if rivals from Ford, Mercedes, or even electric startups try to capture a piece of this high-end mobility trend. So, is this the ultimate luxury van build ever? That's for you to decide. Drop a comment below. Would you choose the Savana Limo camper over a luxury SUV or custom Sprinter? Hit like if you enjoy this deep dive, And don't forget to subscribe for more honest, fact-based car reviews every week. Because in a market where vehicles keep evolving, you'll want to know which ones are truly worth your time and your money.